Good evening everyone. This evening I'm down in Pauatahanui. I've been here a couple of times this year and tonight I'm really just here to see what birds are up around sunset. I see there's a kingfisher, I saw a tui, some royal spoonbills just further on. So I'm just here to shoot some birds. I've got the 70-200 with the 2x tele converter and we'll just, photograph some birds. So all the footage you'll see will either be from the Pocket 3 or handheld with the 70-200. So it might be a little bit shaky. Oh, and here we see a kingfisher, so you won't see that on this camera, so let me change cameras. I'm going to head a bit closer to the royal spoonbill. They're preening at the moment, but there's a good number. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of them. How's that for good luck? So we're right in the mid of golden hour at the moment, and the birds are still doing their thing, which is great. Being more of a landscape photographer, I really enjoy coming out in this light, although I won't take any landscapes here. We'll just focus in on the birds.
I was waiting for you.
Cool, I can see that there are some other people taking photos, so I'm heading to somewhere hopefully they won't go, i.e. further down, because I really just do enjoy time by myself without having to talk about my gear, because it won't be as good as their gear.
I've been waiting for you.
Okay everybody, I just wanted to thank you for tuning in. I'm going to wrap things up and head home, get some of this mud from the mud flats out of the gap between my toes. And so hopefully you tune into the next video. If you were looking for something a bit more educational, informative, clearly this wasn't the video. And I don't think there are many shots that will turn out that look good, but I'm going to post it anyway, because it's nice to look back on, well, for me anyway. So we might then catch you in the next video. Have a good evening and see you later.
I was waiting for you. They say you might have to wait, but good things will come if you do. It's never too late. Let love find its way over and under through. That's why I waited for you.